हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे माय लास्ट डे एट कॉलेज इंग्लिश एसे के बारे में। इससे पहले हमने माय फर्स्ट डे एट कॉलेज एसे पर बात की थी। दोस्तों, अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ अब जल्दी से इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही बेल आइकॉन बटन को भी प्रेस कर दें। इन द स्टोर हाउस ऑफ माई कॉलेज मेमोरीज, the last day at the college occupies a prominent place. Every moment of it is still fresh in my mind. My feelings on that day were a mixture of joy and sadness. I was happy because I had completed a part of my education. I was sad because I was going to leave my friends and my college. The students of my section had decided to arrange a party in honor of our worthy professors. I got up early in the morning and rode my bicycle to college. As I was going to college, my thoughts wandered. Then the memory of my first day in the college 2 years back took hold of my mind. I remembered my excitement and nervousness on that day. Then with a smile I thought of the time when I was myself a senior boy and I had played many tricks and jokes on the first year students. Filled with these strange thoughts, I soon reached the college. A few of my friends had already come. We started making preparations for the party. Our professor of English was nice and kind enough to guide us in the arrangements of the party. The principal of our college was the chief guest. I conducted the function on behalf of my class fellows. I thanked all of our professors. Then the chief guest delivered us a speech. He advised us to work hard in life and wished a bright and successful future. Then we had group photo with our professors and the worthy principal. Then we took tea, sweets and fruit. Now I was leaving the college. I felt a touch of grief. My eyes were filled with tears and my heart cried. Farewell my friends, farewell my foes, my peace with these, my love with those. तो दोस्तों, ये था my last day इन कॉलेज ऐसे। दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ आप इस वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करें, इस वीडियो को शेयर करें। आप इस वीडियो को फेसबुक व्हाट्सएप के तहत शेयर कर सकते हैं, अपने दोस्तों को इस चैनल के बारे में बता सकते हैं। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं ऐसी और वीडियोस देखने में तो प्लीज़ आप जल्दी से इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही बेल आइकॉन बटन को भी प्रेस कर दें। थैंक यू।